Have you ever wondered how factories are managing the operational plannings and competencies of their employees? Well, even in this field of multi-million euros machine, they are still using a tool you all know, Excel. And worst, not one, but a lot of Excel, which makes them lose precious time and money every day. If 15 years ago they deal with it, the arrival of connected machines that came along with the Industry 4.0 skyrocketed the number of skills needed, and the market requires a production always more flexible. Therefore, European factories are just struggling to keep up with all these changes, and operators will need to become some kind of robocops. I'm Adrien Laurentin, and with Kevin Rouvière to answer to these problems, we co-founded Mercateam, the first collaborative digital tool to enhance and organize staff management in factories. By using our solution, staff are able to save 5 hours on their planning and kill an average of 25 Excel and 30 Word documents every 100 employees. In real time, our solution already used by clients in 4 different sectors are able to map and manage all the skills of the plant, value operators and make them more independent, and automate the placement on the post. To design Mercateam, we experienced a total immersion in more than 5 factories for 6 months to interview directors, supervisors, but especially field operators. That's what makes our solution unique. But our vision is that the skill cartography and digital management will be a must-have in many other operational sectors, such as retail, distribution, or even banking. It is a daily professional life of 2.7 billion people that could be improved, and this is Mercateam's ambition.